Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Task It Basket is a profit maximization check, and this goes fast. Compare marginal revenue and marginal cost at the current output, then choose the direction.
For a firm with market power, the key rule is simple. Profit is maximized where marginal revenue equals marginal cost, because that compares the extra money earned with the extra cost.
Right now, the problem gives marginal revenue as $27 and marginal cost as $34, so one more basket adds less revenue than cost, which actually cuts profit. Since marginal revenue is less than marginal cost, the firm should reduce output until those two move toward equality, which matches producing fewer baskets. Well done. Option A, scan now, watch signs, and avoid rush. Trust the given numbers and check the rule that compares marginal revenue with marginal